Good morning, children. Open your English textbooks. We are continuing with the lesson number 8, food health. Before that, I have done 2 videos, and our last video I told about the vitamins, vitamin A, B, C, D. So, what are the uses of vitamin A? I hope you've done your homework. Vitamin A contains in the food items which are green and yellow vegetables, fruits, leafy vegetables, ghee, carrot, butter, milk and eggs. And uses of that vitamin is preserve good eyesight and skin and teeth. So what are the deficiency means if we not eating the vitamin A content food, then what will the deficiency will occur to you? You can't see clearly. Night blindness is a one disease. Night blindness disease will attack on you. So next vitamin is vitamin B. Wheat, ragi, black gram, green germinated grains. Means grain, all the grains, wheat, ragi, black grams, all that food items contain vitamin B. So it is important to protect the skin, heart and digestive system. Vitamin B is important to skin and heart and our digestive system. It is very important. And what are the deficiency of vitamin B? Very means accumulation of water in legs, muscles pain, respiration and heart problem will occur. Next one, vitamin C. All the sour taste food, fruits maybe or vegetables, whatever they are, if that taste is sour means it contains the vitamin C lot. So which are they? For examples, oranges, lemon, tomatoes, raw vegetables, gooseberry, apple, pineapple and germinated grains. That all food items, fruit contain vitamin C. What are the uses of vitamin C? Protects teeth and germs. Vitamin C is useful to our teeth. Next, deficiency is vitamin C. Deficiency of vitamin C. What are the deficiency, children? Soft and bleeding gums, swellings of legs. All these occurs due to the incompletion of vitamin C. Next one, last vitamin is vitamin D. Cod liver oil and main is sun rays. Not at afternoon 1, 2, 3 in between. It's a morning sun rays means from 7 to 9 in between. That is a sun rays gives us vitamin D and that is very useful to our bones. Okay, vitamin D is produced and it is protect us from bones and teeth. Next one, deficiency of vitamin D, brackets, disorder of bones. Okay, if vitamin D is incomplete in our body, then some bones problem will started to you. So all these are the vitamin A, B, C, D uses and deficiency I teach. So now let's turn to our new point. So carrot and Deepa conversion is going on. Do you remember now? Yes. So carrot said to them, "Do you like it patient always?" Deepa said, "No. What should I do eat to be healthy?" Carrot is asking, if you are not eating such type of vegetables, fruits, different food items, also grains and all, then you will be always a patient. You will always patient and you like to be patient always. Then Deepa said, "No, I don't like." So, which food item I should have to eat to be healthy? Then Carrot said, "Besides all the food items mentioned, beans, radish, leafy vegetables, fruits with edible skin, that is apple and guava, are cereals and cereals. They are rich in fiber and helps in exertion. Besides this, all food items you should have to eat the apple and guava, beans, leafy vegetables, radish and all. Okay." So Deepa said, "Is it possible to eat all these food items at one time?" No, it's not possible. So last time I explained it is a balanced diet. Means you should have to eat at least some food at morning, some at afternoon, some at night. Then your whole day meal will be complete with the balanced diet. Okay. And how many glass you have to drink the water I told? As children, you are drinking the water means 4 to 5 glasses Minimum you have to drink 5 to 6, 4 to 5 glasses water daily. Okay. Deepa said, how should the balanced diet be? Carrot says, look at this chart, you know it well. Water contained in our body, 75% of water present in our body, whole body. Okay. Water is very essential part, so drink water compulsory. Out of 100%, how percentage part of water? 75 percentage of water. Next one, carbohydrates, how many percentage? 14 percentage carbohydrate is present. Protein 5%, lipids 4%, vitamins and mineral salt is only 2%. Okay. So you have to eat and drink water regularly. Now open page number 70. I open children's. Here one play the game. One game they are given here to play you. You have to take one empty chalk box or match box and make the circles of that, and you have to write the vitamin A, B, C, D. Make one A4 size paper and you have to write vitamin A content. Means they are given on page chart. On page number 67 and 68, ABCD chart, you have to do that chart. It's your science project like that. Next one, Deepa said, animals and birds also need food as we do, don't they? Yes, Carrot said, yes, they also need food. All the human beings need a food. Okay, now means if you are a human beings or living beings, all living beings need food. Maybe they are human being or animals, birds. Okay, plants also need food. Means we are giving soil and water, sun rays. That time only they will grow. So all the animals and birds also need food. So they are given on page 70 some chart to you, name of animal and food of they eat. You are eating all the vegetables, eggs. Some people are eating non-veg food, means egg, meat, chickens and fish. All they includes that. All say non-vegetarian. You are both. You are eating vegetarian and non-vegetarian, right? So here serial number and the name of that animals and food the animal which eat that food you have to write here. So first one they are given tiger. Tiger eats flesh of other animals. Okay, no, tiger is not eating grass and all. He is always eating a flesh of other animals. Crane eats fishes. Deer, what deer eats? Deer is a vegetarian animal. He is not eating a other animal of flesh. So he is eating grass or some other plants. Elephant is also eating grass or plants. Sugar cane. Elephant is eating always sugar cane mostly. Next one is kite. Kite is a bird. He is eating a small insects. Butterfly is sucking a nectar from a flower. Butterfly is a what is the food of butterfly? I told in second lesson I think. Yes. Butterfly is eating nectar of a flower. Next one, mosquito is also eating a small what insects? Mosquito is eating our blood. He is biting to you now. So cow is eating grass. Dog, he is also eating some pets dog. Maybe they are eating our what food we are giving. Cow and dog, they are eating that food. And rat is also rare animal. He is also eating in our house. Maybe some grains and all. Okay. So you have to write the names of that food items. I told each and every animal and their food items. So you have to write here. This is your homework on page number 70. Turn the next page on 71. Deepa said, how do your animal eat food? So they all animals have, Carrot says, see how animals eat food with the help of their big teeth and proboscis. Means butterfly have a proboscis, they don't have a teeth. Next one, tiger have teeth to brush the ear. They are shown the pictures on page number 70. See carefully. Kite have a long leg to hold its other animal. Next one, crane is eating fish with the help of its beak. butterflies sucking the nectar from flower with the help of proboscis, and elephant is the eating with the help of its trunk. On page 72 they are given here filling the blanks.